All right, so now we purchased the domain. Now we have to connect it to our actual Shopify store. So basically, our domain, L'Elephant Test, which is my awesome store name, thank you very much, is on GoDaddy right now. And Shopify is doing the Amazon 1267 as an ID. They do not know of each other's existence. Now we have to link them so that the beautiful store that we're going to build on Shopify can be visible when you visit l'elephantest.com. We're going to do that very simply by going to online store right here, clicking on domains, and I realized that I might have made my life a little bit difficult because there is a buy domain option right here, which, sorry Shopify, I did it the way I'm used to. But feel free to explore that. That's not, if you did the GoDaddy version, you need to click on connect existing domain. Let's connect the domain we did. So it was l'elephantest.com. I'm copying this, copy, and I'm pasting it. I'm clicking on next. Connect your GoDaddy domain. It immediately recognizes that it is from GoDaddy, and you can actually connect it automatically. Back in the days, you had to change a whole bunch of things in GoDaddy. It is much easier now. I'm still logged in. Ideally, you do all this in the same session, so you don't have to log out and log in. So I'm still logged in into GoDaddy. So you do connect. It is processing. Success. There you go, it is connected. The SSL pending, don't worry about that for now. We will touch this in a future video. And actually, if we go to our awesome store name right now, you do paste l'elephantest.com, we hit enter. There you go. Amazon 1267, that's my Shopify ID. We will change this, don't worry. Coming soon, be the first to know. So basically what we did is we signed the lease of our store. It is signed. We have attributed an address to our store, a street address. So now we have the physical location in the internet. But our door of our store is still locked. There is a little pamphlet saying, hey guys, we're not open yet. It's still locked. Be the first one to know when we're launching, or spread the word on social media. We're going to change all of this in just a second. No big deal. We're making solid progress here.